My name is Ricky, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact product research system that I use to find winning dropshipping products that actually sell. And this right here is the exact dropshipping product research system that I use to find products that go on to do $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, and beyond. Or like this store right here that in the last 365 days has done $787,000 and it's able to scale and sell year round thanks to the dropshipping product research system that I'm going to show you guys today. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step dropshipping product research method that I use, and it's completely free. So we're going to use ChatGPT, TikTok, and the Meta ad library. So let's dive into my 4-step product research system. And this, like I said, has helped me generate hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and even my clients hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So to go over the dropshipping product research system, step 1 is we need to find problems. After we find problems, we find products. And after we find products, we validate demand. Then lastly, the final step is we check our profit, and we'll dive into each step in depth. And if a product passes all 4 steps, then it's going to be worth testing. So before we dive into step 1, let's go over what makes a winning dropshipping product. And this is the criteria here that I follow. So I put any product I find up against this criteria, and if it checks all the boxes, then I test it. So number 1 is it should solve a clear problem or be an emotional gift. So emotional gift just means that it pulls at your heartstrings. Maybe somebody lost a pet and you want to get them something to maybe comfort them. There's a lot of different brands in that niche, like memorial gifts or personalized gifts, things like that. It should be in a proven evergreen niche. The niches I recommend and only sell in are these here down below. It should have an active competitor running ads, and I'll show you guys how to check that. You need to make at least $25 in profit per sale, and it should be a product that you can build bundles or upsells. Like you instantly think of, hey, I could upsell this, this, and this. And I'll show you guys how to spy on the competitors and see exactly what they're selling. And the last step, this is thinking way long term, but make sure that it's a lightweight product. Because as you transition from dropshipping to branding later, once you've validated a product, you're going to want to order inventory later, once you have the capital, once you've proven that, hey, this is a winner, and you want to make sure that it's lightweight. That's just going to help you guys later. So going into the niches, these are the best niches to sell in, hands down. I've been doing this for over 7 years. All of my successful stores have been in these niches. All of my one-on-one clients' successful stores that have gone on to do hundreds of thousands per month are in these niches right here. So I highly recommend sticking to these dropshipping niches right here, because they're evergreen. They sell year round. I don't want you guys selling gadgets, gimmicky products. I want you guys to sell problem-solving products in passionate niches where the audience cares and wants to buy these products. So now that you know the criteria, let's dive into live product research. So step 1 in dropshipping product research is we need to find problems to solve. So the tool we're going to use completely free is ChatGPT. And I have a prompt for you guys for winning product research, and it's this one right here. I'm going to scroll, but I want you guys to pause and copy this. So it's a really long prompt. Just make sure to pause the video and you guys can screenshot it or copy it and you can have it here. So this is the prompt. We're going to highlight it all. We're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to paste it. Don't hit enter just yet, because I want you guys to think of the niche that you're interested in. You don't have to put all of these niches in here. So in this prompt, there's this list of all the niches I recommend. It's going to spit back a bunch of different problems in all of these categories that you can solve. But if there's one that you have more interest in, then just go with that one. So in my case, maybe I won't do maternity. I like baby. I like pets. Maybe I won't do jewelry this time around. So that's the idea. Just clean up the niches here, and then all you're going to do is hit enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT just finished loading, and it's saying below are high intent, emotionally charged problems that people actively try to solve with products. So this is the best prompt that I can give you guys. So make sure to go back, pause the video, screenshot it, and just copy it. But what we're going to do is we need keywords. So as it shows here, as I wrote here, you need to look for pain, frustration, wasted time. And just some examples of keywords for you guys are baby safety, plantar fasciitis, separation anxiety for pets, fine lines, a buffalo hump, these very niche but problems in these niches. So let's go back to ChatGPT and let's just look over this. So as you can see here, one is babies rolling during sleep. And what you could offer is an anti-rolling baby sleep positioner. Another thing is babies scratching their face, flat head syndrome, which babies lying on their back too long can develop skull flattening. Parents worry about permanent deformities, which It's a huge problem. So maybe that's something that we can look into. So what this prompt is doing is giving us really strong emotionally charged problems that we can tap into. So you can see here, sleep deprived parents, they're looking for white noise machines for babies, and it gives you upsells as well, because upsells are how we can make even more money. Looking further down, we can see pets. So there's dogs pulling on walks, dogs destroying furniture when alone, dogs overheating in the summer, and there's a lot. Cats not drinking enough water, it leads to kidney disease and urinary tract issues. Dogs eating too fast cause vomiting and bloating. So, really serious problems that people care about. But if you're not in that niche, then you might not even know about these problems. But that's the point of this dropshipping product research system, is to understand what's going on in different markets that we're not in. So going further down, I mean, all we're looking for, like I said, is keywords. So maybe something like fine lines, puffy eyes, dark circles. These are all things that people really care about. And now that we have a list of different problems, we want to take any of those keywords and we want to find products that are being advertised for those problems. So the free tools that you can use are TikTok. You can go to the Meta ad library and you're just going to search that problem keyword. And what we're looking for, if you're looking on TikTok, is just high engagement. I need this comments, friends tagging friends. Let's just go ahead and take any of these. I kind of like that flat head syndrome. That sounded like a serious problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this and search flat head. You can check the Facebook ad library. And once you search a keyword in the Facebook ad library, I want you guys to sort it by impressions high to low. This is a new sort by feature that Facebook just added in the Meta ad library. So this is going to show you all of the most popular products that are being advertised and people are spending money on for that keyword. So if you look here, the second one here is a sleep peacefully knowing your baby is safe with a dream nest, the only bed with your baby's comfort in mind. If we click shop now, this actually looks like a really good product. And you can see the product page actually looks really good. You're selling it for $79.99. So this is actually a really good product page too. They're doing bundles, testimonials, they have as seen on logos, really good videos. And you can see that their product page does a really good job at highlighting all of the problems that this solves. So you can see it. Stop worrying about flat head and acid reflux and colic tonight, which all of this stuff I didn't even know about until I got to this product page. Maximize safety, minimize SIDS risk, which is sudden infant death syndrome, which imagine how scary that is if you have kids and you just have a newborn. So you want to be spending money on the best products that are going to help solve multiple problems. And this is just giving new parents peace of mind. And even while you're looking on these product pages, like we're finding new keywords. So I could search something like SIDS. So now that we found a keyword in ChatGPT, we found a product and a brand, the next thing that we want to do is validate demand. And what we're looking for is, have the ads been running for longer than 30 days? And are they launching new creatives in the last 30 days? So if ads are still running and they've been running for a long time, then the product is working. So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to search the brand. So they're called Baby Bliss. So I'm going to go ahead and search Baby Bliss and open up their ad library. So here it is. Here's their ad library. These are all of the ads that they're running on Facebook and on Instagram. They have 61 running, and now we're going to sort it by most recent. And you can see here that they just launched ads a couple days ago. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, I can see that they've been running ads for this product since December. So about 3 months, 3 to 4 months now. So this tells me that they tested this in December. It really started to work. So they started launching more ads in January. And as we go further, January 17th, as we go further up, we can see that they launched more January 31st, February 11th. So we know that this product works. And it's not a gimmicky product. This is something that can sell year round, solves multiple problems: flat head, SIDS, acid reflux, and they highlight that in their ad copy. Reduce reflux, prevent flat head, lower SIDS risk, one bed, endless peace of mind. And to an anxious parent, they'll pay for peace of mind. So now that we took a keyword from ChatGPT, we searched that keyword in the ad library, we checked the longevity and saw that, hey, this product has been running for a while and it looks like it's working. And now what we have to do is check the profit. They're selling it for $80. And if I click add to cart, on top of the bundles, they're saying buy two, buy three. But if I click add to cart, I can almost guarantee they're upselling. And you can see here, other parents also bought these. And it's like a teddy bear here. If we scroll further, they have a white noise machine, which ChatGPT told us about. So you can see that this is exactly how it works. If I add this, because now their baby's relaxing, they want them to sleep, now you're going to end up spending over $100, which is exactly how you win in dropshipping. So what we want to do is go into your supplier. The one I recommend is AutoDS. They're who I used to start, and then I switched to a private supplier later at scale. But the requirements are that the selling price should be between $30 to $80, and we know that this pillow fits that. It's $79.99. Just because that's an impulse buy range where somebody can click an ad and they'll impulse buy. The profit should be at least $25 in profit because you guys are here to make money. You don't want to find a product for $10 and sell it for 15. You're not going to be that excited to make $5. I'd rather you find a product for $10, $20 and sell it for 40, 50, 60, $70. So that way when you get a sale, you're profiting 25, 35, 45, even more. So if the profit isn't there, then you're going to skip the product. So I went into AutoDS and I can see the product here that I can get it for $36 and I can sell it for $79.99. So in total, I'll get about $43 in profit on every single purchase here. And you can see it's the exact same one. If I go to images, it's this exact same one that they're selling for $79.99. So if a product passes all four of those steps, then it's gonna be worth testing. And what I do is I add it to my product research spreadsheet. So in this case, I would do baby, bed, pillow. The niche is baby. The competitor website, I would put this here. I'd copy the link and I'd put it here. The product cost, we know we can get it for about $36 and we can sell it for $79.99. And if it lights up green, then you're good to go and you can launch it. The problems you're solving is SIDS, flat head, colic, and reflux. So all of these different problems. So this is exactly how I do product research. And if you guys want this spreadsheet, it's in my free dropshipping course. It's completely free. So it's going to be linked down below. You guys can get this spreadsheet for free, along with a full 21-day dropshipping course. And if you want to do one more check just to see, do people even like this product? Always search it in TikTok. So they were calling it an anti-colic baby pillow. And you can see here that there's a lot of different people. And the key here is to look at the dates. There's a lot of videos posted recently. That means it's a newer product. So that's the free dropshipping product research system that I use. And if you found that helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want my entire Shopify dropshipping system for completely free, I have it linked down below. It's a complete 21-day course. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.